audible and it's clear, right?
Okay, good, good. So today we are going to start our first lesson and the first chapter as well. That is, you can see the name of the chapter as well. Screen is shared with you, no?
Not right now.
Let me share the screen. So we have a notes as well. I will share these notes with you, apart from the book as well. So you can see over there, we have a chapter number 1 and the topic number 1.1, which is the hardware and the software. In this chapter, we will inshallah learn about the hardware and what are the physical components of the computer. Then we will discuss about the internal hardware devices as well, like we have a processor, the motherboard, the RAM, the ROM, the video card, the sound card, and such type of other devices that is in the form of a hardware. And then we have some external hardware devices as well, like the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, the keypad, keyboard, etc. And then we are going to define something about the software as well, the controlling and the operation of the software. So these are some of the topics that we are going to discuss in today's lesson. Okay, but before the start, can you explain a little bit about the software and the hardware? What is mean by software and what is mean by hardware?
So as I told you, like it's my first time, so I don't really know anything.
Okay. Uh, so before we are moving towards today's lesson, the main difference that we study in the computer field between the hardware and the software is hardware, anything which is a touchable. I hope you know about the touchable. That means
Yeah, yeah.
which we can touch, which we can feel. Okay. Or we can say that the physical device, any physical device of the computer is known as a hardware, because you can see the word as well, hard. It means that that particular thing is a rigid one. Got it? So
All
any
right.
device, any module, any part of the computer which we can touch, which we can feel, is known as a hardware. On the other hand, software are the internal type of software which cannot we cannot feel, we can feel but we can't touch. Okay, so basic
Okay.
definition or basic difference between the hardware and the software is we cannot touch is known as a software. But we will start with the definition of a hardware. Like you can see, as we have already discussed, the basically hardware are the physical components of the computer. Like if we discuss about the physical component, in every computer we have a keyboard, okay, we have a mouse, we have a screen, and such type of other things. These all are called as a hardware. Done with it?
Okay.
So all the physical components, this is a basic definition of the hardware, which make up for the computer system or which is kind of a part of the computer system. Each item of the hardware have the specific role. I hope you know the role of keyboard, the role of mouse, the role of screen, the role of speaker. You know, no? Every
Yeah.
device have a separate kind of role. And hardware component can be either internal and can be either external. As the name suggests, internal mean the internal part of the computer and external mean outer part of the computer. Done, bete, I hope you understood the definition of a hardware.
Yeah. Can you just explain the internal and external then again?
Yes, pretty perfect. Like we have a computer now, you can see over there. This device, PSU, the CPU, the RAM, the fan, the video card, the hard drive, these all devices are the inner part of the computer software. These are known as the internal devices. On the other hand, we have a keyboard that is outside the hardware system or computer system. These are known as external. The mouse, the speaker. So such devices are known as external. Done?
All right.
Okay. So these are the some internal hardware devices. Do you know about the CPU?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a kind of a name stand for central processing unit. So it's a such kind of we can say electric circuit that is available in almost all the computer. Computer mean every digital device. Like we have this device in a mobile as well. We have this device in a laptop as well. We have this device in a PC, means personal computer as well. So this is a central processing unit. We also call it as a brain of the computer. Why we call it brain? Because every task that computer want to perform is done by the user. Got it? Like the human bodies, all the tasks performed by the brain, na? Same. Every task of the computer is done by the use of this CPU. Done with it?
Yeah.
So it's a combination of both. It can be a software and you can see it's a hardware as well. Done with it?
Yes.
Then we have a motherboard. Motherboard, it's a basic electric circuit board. Uh, have you experienced किसी डिवाइस को आपने टूटा हुआ देखा हो लाइक वी हैव अ रिमोट वी हैव अ स्क्रीन किसी डिवाइस को अब अगर हम या इस तरह की किसी डिजिटल डिवाइस को जब हम तोड़ते हैं वी हैव अ ग्रीन कलर और ब्लू कलर काइंड ऑफ अ इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट हैव यू सीन
Yes. That's it. Yes.
that particular thing is known as a motherboard.
Motherboard.
Okay, okay, so that is a circuit board which is connect to all the main parts of the components. Got it? Like uh if we see the diagram again, this particular device is known as a motherboard. You can see CPU is also attached over there. We have a fan over there. These are the RAM where we attach that. Hard is also attached over there. So all the devices, all the components of computer, firstly attach on the motherboard and then they start working. Then with it,
Yeah.
I hope you understood about the hardware, about the CPU, about the motherboard. Then
Yes.
next thing is the memory. We have a two type of memory. First one is known as a primary memory, and secondly we have a secondary memory. Today we are going to discuss about the primary one. Why we call it as a primary? Because we also call it as a internal memory. Okay, have you ever bought a mobile or the laptop?
Yes.
Have you ever bought any mobile from the market?
Yeah.
Okay. So whenever we are going to buy any mobile, we call it how much is the memory. He tell us in the two form. He say RAM and the ROM. I hope you know that, na? Yeah, you have heard about the 4 by 64. Sometimes it called 8 by 64. I hope
No.
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 Okay. So we have a device, a special hardware device, which is called as a RAM, which is used as a primary memory, the first memory that where computer stores that. Got it?
All right.
So any data or instruction that are to be processed by the CPU is to be stored in a memory. Got it? Which is also called a RAM. What is RAM? We will study in the next topic. So till now, a memory is a device where we store instructions and the data. Done?
All right.
Done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So then we have a graphic video card. We also call it as a video graphic card. Have you heard about this before?
I think like that is like close to the motherboard.
Close to the motherboard exactly, and that we specially use for the gaming purpose to increase the visibility or the graphics of the game or the what we call it as a monitor. We use this special card that is known as a graphic video card. Like the name suggests, it improves the graphics of the video. Okay, there is a special card that we need to install extra into the computer to increase the graphics. Graphics means that is number of colors, or we can say the screen resolution. To improve that, we use that graphic card, video card. Done.
Yes.
Like, have you played GTA 6 game?
GTA 6 is not released.
GTA 5, sorry, Bete. I
No.
no. Which particular game you have played?
Fortnite.
Fortnite. Is there any issue with the computer screen? Have you experienced that कि गेम की जो रेजोल्यूशन है वो ठीक से नहीं आ रही?
Yeah, it just lags a bit.
Huh. So this is because of the we can say the absence of this card. When you add this particular card, the automatically your graphics only that will be managed. Got it?
Okay.
So it's a device that attached to the motherboard to enable the computer to process the display graphics or to improve. And some of the people not just increase that, some people decrease that as well because of their side issues, the eyesight issues. Got it? Like our elders normally have the issue with the eye na? So what they say कि यार इसकी जो graphics है उनको क्या कर दो decrease के बाद. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is a basically card that we need to install extra to improve the graphics of our LCD, or we call it as a monitor. Got it? Same, we have a card as well. Whenever we hear the sound means the speaker. So that is a special card that is used for the speaker to we can say improve the sound. Got it?
All right.
That is also attached on a motherboard to enable the computer to input, process, and deliver what sound. The basic purpose of this device is to
Your
what we
sound.
can say that anything we want over the sound. Done.
Yeah.
Then we have a hard disk. Do you know about the hard disk?
Uh,
It's a
I do
storage
not.
device. It's a permanent data storage device. Permanent data storage device means whenever we want to store anything permanently on our computer, we store it over a hard disk. Done.
All right.
I hope you have heard about the memory card or
Yeah,
the
like it
USB.
stores that data that thing.
Exactly. The same role played in a computer as a hard disk. Got it?
All right.
So you can see that it's a hardware device that is used to store information like the softwares and the files. File mean whatever file. File can be in a text. File can be in a video. File can be in an image format as well. So it's a kind of a hardware device where we store our data in the range of GB. GB stand for bit
I think.
gigabyte and terabyte. These are the units of data storage. Got it?
All right.
We will read in the next classes what is mean by GB, what is mean by TB.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the some of the internal. We have other as well. What is mean by network bitting?
Uh, like a cable or a card that we use to connect our phone with to watch videos or like take
No.
classes.
The last time in the last lesson we have discussed for the network. Network stand for the internet. Got it?
Yeah.
Network stand for internet. So it means that every card or any card that is used to connect our computer with the internet is known as a network card. Then,
Yeah.
so basic purpose of this card is to connect our computer with the network. Network means internet. Okay, it can be a wireless or it can be a physical cabling connection. Got it? Like we have studied K router play the same role. Done?
Yes.
Yes, बेटे done. हमने बहुत सी new definitions पढ़ी हैं, बहुत से new devices पढ़ी हैं. I hope you understand all.
Can you like send these in the main group so I can like
Exactly.
revise
जी
this?
बेटे, I will send this document with you.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay, बेटे. Have you heard about the CD, DVD, or Blu-ray?
Yeah,
So
I
it's a
haven't heard
also
about this CD
okay.
and DVD.
Yes. These are also known as a optical disk drives. So I hope you remember in a DVD we also store data, but these are the portable data storage devices. Portable mean we can carry data from one place to another by the use of these devices. Okay. So optical devices to run on the computer. Also, some optical devices are able to read, write, and burn disk on. अच्छा बेटे, write mean we can enter data into that. Okay, we can enter new data into that. Like we can enter data into USB, and we can remove or the format the data that we already available as well. So deleting a data is known as burn. Entering a new data is known as a write. Alright?
Yes, alright.
Yes. Any question?
Not right now.
Okay. Power supply. Have you heard about this word?
I think like
It's a
something that
device
supplies a
that
device that
is
supplies power
power mean electricity. Okay.
that
Okay. But
supplies to the main parts of the
exact, exactly. The main purpose of this supply or
equipment.
this device is to provide electricity to our computer. Got it? Then बेटे आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा हम जैसे ही ऑन के बटन को क्लिक करते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली सारा का सारा कंप्यूटर जो है वो क्या हो जाता है ऑन हो जाता है तो दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पावर सप्लाई वो कंप्यूटर के सब कनेक्टर कंपोनेंट्स को ऑटोमेटिकली क्या कर देता है ऑन कर देता है क्योंकि इट अप्लाई अ पावर सप्लाई टू दो डिवाइसेस डन
Yes.
ओके these were the internal hardware devices now some of the external as well I hope you heard about the keyboard
Yeah, yeah.
the main basic purpose of keyboard is to enter a textual data into computer got it I hope you heard about the mic as well microphone
Yeah, to like chat with someone on like
to
a
communicate
video
or to
game.
audio type of data. Then we have some kind of MCIR or we have such
Yeah,
type of scanning devices which help us to read
yeah.
data. Okay. Then we have
That was the
these are also known as input hardware devices. Okay. Input hardware
yeah,
devices.
data
Yes, but
like scan the data or the price.
any question you
The
have?
third one. Yeah, yeah. I'm asking for the third one to scan the data or the like the price.
Exactly. To scan data and the result as well. Both.
Oh, right.
I have written the definition of input devices. Okay.
Okay.
This one. The devices
Yeah,
used to enter data into computer. Done.
yeah.
Same we have output devices as well. Output mean the getting result from the computer. So we have a printer. I hope you know it's used for the take a printouts. We have a speakers. We have a monitor. We also call it as a screen. Sometimes we call it as a LCD, LED as well. And we have a projector. I hope you heard about the projector.
Yeah, yeah.
We have some other external storage devices as well, like you can see external hard disk. Do you know about that?
I'm not pretty sure. I think I know.
Sometime we required a hard disk for the portable purpose. So for that we have a casing, special kind of hard disk in which we insert that particular hard disk and we can connect with any computer. So it play the same role like the USB. Got it?
Mhm.
We have a memory card. These all play the same role. And
ठीक है.
so this was all about the hardware. I hope you have understood what is mean by hardware and what are the special hardware
So
devices. Any question
this
till
was
now?
this was the only this was like the full chapter one.
No. We have a many topic others. We have a
Oh, like
software, then we have a 1.2, 1.3. We will complete this topic in first chapter in a three lessons.
three classes.
Okay, three classes. Okay. Now software. I hope you haven't heard about this word, na software.
I'm not sure.
Like you use a mobile, na? For the mobile, we have a kind of a box which called it as a hardware. Okay, and in the mobile we have a different type of apps which we call it as an application. Like we have a gallery, we have a phone call, we have a messaging, we have some kind of a digital application. All those apps and applications are known as a software. Got it?
Yeah.
So these are called a collection of instruction. Why we call it as a collection of instruction? It's a combination of instruction like a gallery play a different role, the message application play a different role. So every software have a different type of instruction that can run on the computer. These instructions tell the computer to what to do. This is the basic definition of the software. It's a kind of a system which tell computer to what to do. Like for the scanning purpose, we have a different application. For the game, we have a different application. For the communication or the chat, we have a different application. So every instruction have the different kind of a software. That is why it's a kind of a collection of this. Got it?
Yeah.
You have to learn this definition basically, or you can learn this as well. They say not physical part. Okay, non-physical part mean which are not touchable. Such type of parts are known as a non-physical part. Okay,
All right.
then
Yeah.
a very important thing, for the computer system to be useful, we need both. That is why we call them as a parts of computer. Okay, we have two parts. First one is a hardware, second one is a software. बेटे एक ह्यूमन बॉडी है ना, उसके दो हिस्से होते हैं. एक स्ट्रक्चर, उसका पूरा का पूरा वो ढांचा. एक उसका इंटरनल, which is we call it as a root. I hope you know about the root ना.
Yeah. Yeah. The soul.
तो हाँ, the soul, that is the soul of the computer is known as a software. Okay, and the structure is known as a hardware. Then
Yeah.
I hope you haven't heard about the Linux. The last time you
No.
told me, कि, sir, I don't know about the Word. I hope you don't know about the Adobe Photoshop. We have a Window X. We have a PowerPoint. We have a Mozilla Firefox. We have a window visitor as well. These all are the softwares which are used for the different purpose. But instead of that, let's discuss about some games like the Candy Crush. Have you played?
Yeah.
So this is the software. Got it?
Right.
We have a WhatsApp. This is also called it as a software. I hope
Yeah.
you know about the Instagram.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is also a software. So these are the softwares which are used for the different purpose. So every software has a different kind of instruction. Then
Yeah.
basically we have a two type of software. First one is a system software. Second one is the application software. The book discussed the application softwares first and then the system software. But I am going to discuss the system software first. What is mean by system?
Like system. Like you're
System.
running something.
To running something to run a computer is known as system. So all those software which are essential or important for the computer. In the absence of these software, computer can't do any task. Such type of softwares are known as a system software. जी बेटे समझ आई?
Yeah.
ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर जिनके बगैर आपका कंप्यूटर चल ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है, जैसे मोबाइल जो है वो बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हो गया, तो आप जाते हो उसको तो वो कहते हैं इसका जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो रिन्यू करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
या
Yeah.
आई
Yeah.
होप या आई होप यू हेard about the window. Do you know about the window?
Like on the PC, the computer one, right?
Computer window, window 10, window 11. Do you know about that?
Yeah. I think I've done something in my school with Windows.
Yeah, such type of softwares are known as a system software. Like you can see there, OS stand for the operating system. We call it as a window as well. And we have a device drivers. We have some utility software like we have an antivirus, we have a viruses type of. So such type of softwares are known as a system software. But instead of that, you have to learn the definition of system software. Like you can see the definition, they
So your voice is not clear.
say
So your voice is not clear.
Yes, can you hear me?
Voice is not like
Now,
it's lagging.
okay.
Yes, Betty. Now my voice is clear, na?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay. Okay. So basically, you have to learn this definition, like you can see on the screen, na?
Mm,
Okay. So that definition say it's a basic software that is involved in the running the computer. I hope you understood what is mean by running.
yes, sim.
Running mean performing every task on the computer. Like we have a operating system that is provide an interface to use the computer or use the mobile. Same we have a device drivers, like we have a audio driver, the video driver. Got it? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have application software. What does mean by application?
Like you download a new app like application. You could
No,
say.
that is fine. But in the English, the basic meaning of the or the term of this application mean is a use. Okay, where we are going to apply that. So a part of the system software, we have some other software which are used for the specific purpose. Like we already discussed about the WhatsApp. The basic purpose of WhatsApp is extra. If we haven't have a WhatsApp, it doesn't mean कि हमारा computer work नहीं करेगा. Okay, वो लाजमी नहीं है. That is not a system software. Same, we have a Candy Crush. Some of the play student still not played or still don't have a Candy Crush on their mobile or in their computer. So it doesn't mean कि उनका computer work नहीं करेगा. So we have some extra software which are used for the some extra work. Like you can see over there, we have a word processor that is a part of our practical as well, in which we are going to write something. We have a spreadsheet which we call in the last lesson that this is used for the Excel. We have a database as well. These three software are the part of our practical as well. We will learn these topic softwares. Okay,
I
like for the browser that we use a Google Chrome. I hope you are user of a Google Chrome ना. हम Google करते हैं ना, कुछ भी हमें इंटरनेट पे सर्च करना हो.
yeah, yeah.
So the basic purpose of Google Chrome is to net surfing. So this type of softwares are known as application software. So it means that the simple definition is, sorry, apart from all those software which are essential for the computer use, are known as a application software. Yeah?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Like we have a word processor. The last time I discussed its basic name is MS Word. Okay, where we write the, like here we have MS Word. Yes, this one. This special software which is used for the writing. Like I click that device, you can see there the data is written in a textual format. Okay, then we have a spreadsheet. We call it as a MS Excel. If I search that, so it's a part of our practical as well. We'll learn that this database as well that is used to create the records, okay, run queries, such type of these are the some of the their working definitions as well. But you don't need to learn these definition right now, but just you have to know the names as well. Got it? We have a photo
I
editing. We call it as a Photoshop, which is used to edit photos. We have a graphic manipulation like we use in the cartoons. We have a video editing software like I hope you are known about the cap CapCut.
Yeah, yeah, CapCut. Yeah, yeah. Like you used to edit the
The kind
videos of
of a
photos.
video editing tool. We
Yeah,
have
that stuff.
mobile app like we have a multiple phone applications. We have a some kind of a marine and control software like we have a weather software which forecast the weather related information. Got it?
Right.
You can see the names, the video games like Angry Bird, the video music stream like a YouTube, the social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. For the communication, we use the WhatsApp. We have a Viber as well. For the camera, we use editing. So these are some of the software application software. Same, we have some kind of a sensor which is used for the different kind of measuring purpose. I hope you know about the sensors, na?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Just
you can see over there a hardware and the software. These are some of the softwares, uh, operating system that is operate the whole system of the computer, which is also called as a window. Then we have a device driver. Every hardware device has a special software which is known as a device driver. Like we have a audio driver which is used for the speaker and for the mic purpose. We have some kind of a video driver which is used for the LCD purpose. Got it? So such type of drivers or softwares are known as device drivers. The important are these two definition: the linker and the compiler. The basic definition, like you can see over there, the purpose of the compiler is to translate the program. Program means the code, the software code that is written in a particular language. I hope you know about the okay, there are some of engineers which generate or which we can take a design different type of applications. You know
yeah,
about the coding
yeah, yeah.
of programming. So whatever program they write, they need to translate it. For that, we use a special software that is known as a compiler. Then we have a linker, which link our program with the computer. बेटे आपने कभी सोचा कि हम प्ले स्टोर पे जाते हैं जाके बस सिंपली अपनी उस ऐप को डाउनलोड करते हैं फिर इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो वो कैसे वर्क करना शुरू कर देती होती है सो बेसिकली वी हैव दिस लिंकर जो कि लिंक कर देता है उस स्पेसिफिक ऐप को विद आवर फोन ताकि दोनों जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली वर्क कर पाए गॉट इट
Right.
द नेम से इट्स अ लिंक टू थिंग्स डन बेटे
Yes.
this was all about our today's topic. We have discussed about the hardware and the software. There can be a long question that you have to differentiate between the hardware and the software. So the basic difference between them is the physical components. All the physical components are known as the hardware. Whatever instruction or the kind of a group of instructions is known as a software. Hardware are the physical parts or the physical components, while the softwares are in the form of an instruction. Got it?
In the exam, will they like give the written that's written down below the question, the keywords?
Good. Yes, you have to write for the next class. Tomorrow we have a class.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have four classes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then we have tomorrow.